I always say, if you go into a Mexican restaurant and you don't see splatters and smoke, then the food is not gonna be that great. I'm gonna make the most delicious, saucy, irresistible tacos de chicharrón in salsa roja. Chicharrón are pork rinds that we adore in Mexico, and a very famous guisado is when you soak the chicharrones in a salsa of your choice. Today, I'm making a salsa roja with 3 different kinds of chiles. So I wanna add 2 pounds of ripe Roma tomatoes in the same pot that I have with boiling water. I'm gonna add my chiles. I have a jalapeno and a serrano. You can find your guajillo chiles from Kroger Mercado. Remove the stem and remove the seeds. And then I'm gonna add a garlic clove. And then I'm just gonna let these cook and soften. The only other thing I need for my salsa is a piece of onion. This is ready. You can see the tomatoes are super soft and mushy. The chiles, the onion, and the salt. Ready, set, go. Smells so good. So I'm gonna heat some oil in my pan because I wanna season my sauce. And it just forces all the ingredients to come together. And because the salsa is gonna splatter and jump all over, you wanna make sure you have your lid. See, I said it was gonna jump all over the place. Once you got your whole kitchen splattered, you wanna add a little bit of chicken broth. And what these will do is just add another layer of flavor and seasoning to the sauce. And once these seasons and thickens, I'm gonna add my chicharrón. Chicharrones are pork cracklings that sometimes come in big pieces, sometimes in small pieces, sometimes they come in perfect pieces like the Kroger Mercado chicharrones. They are so incredibly crunchy. So adding it all in here, I have a bag that I had opened here. I'm gonna add it in here too. And then I'm gonna turn it off because the sauce is ready. The salsa and the chicharrón become one because the chicharrón starts imparting its savory, smoky, like porky taste to the salsa while the salsa is being absorbed by the chicharrón. I have queso cotija, queso fresco. You can now find the Kroger Mercado queso fresco in the Kroger Mercado queso cotija. The queso fresco is tangy and a little bit salty. Queso cotija has a more pronounced personality. I have white onion that I already chopped and fresh cilantro. Now that my comal is ready, I'm gonna make my tacos. I'm gonna bring a plate. I like them a little bit toasty. I'm gonna cut my avocado. Avocado slices, cotija and fresco, some cilantro. They're both so pretty, I don't know which one to grab. If you haven't tried chicharrón en salsa, it's a must try. You guys, this is really good.